Hey guys, welcome to your favorite channel Shubro the Geek. I am your host, I am your host Shubro. So today we have with us another product from JBL. So these are not sponsored products, these are all the products which I buy for my personal use, or those are bought by my friends or relatives for their personal use. So I try to get them and I review them for you guys. So this is a very good headphone, and this headphone is bought for gaming, especially gaming. This is a gaming headphone, and you can also do video calls with it. So we'll be unboxing JBL Quantum 100 headphones from JBL by Harman Kardon, I mean. So these are bought from Amazon for a price of rupees 25.99, or that is 2,599 rupees, and we'll be unboxing them. We'll be checking out what are there in the box. We'll be checking the overview of the product, and finally I'll be posting the review in the later part of the video, where I'll be testing this earphones for over a week with gaming, video call, voice call, music, each and everything, and I'll be posting the complete review in the later part of the video for your kind reference. So I'll be recording the review with the headphone and the microphone of the headphone itself, so that you can understand each and every part how the microphone will sound for each and for different usage. So guys, without further ado, let's start, shall we? So guys, let's unbox this product and see what are there inside the box. But first, let us have an overview of what are all written on the box, so that we can get an overview. So at the very beginning, we can see on the bottom it's written, it's used for PC, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, mobile, Mac, VR. So wired over ear gaming headset with detachable mic. So it has a very good feature of detachable mic. This mic comes out, and it is Discord certified, so all the gamers would love it. And sound is surreal, JBL Quantum branding, JBL branding, and on the top, wired over ear gaming headset in different languages. And on the back, what we can see, we have JBL Quantum sound signature. So this and 40 drivers. So JBL has produced this new technology called JBL Quantum sound. They have changed the signature of the sound so that we can hear minute footsteps from in games. So it will be very useful for playing mobile games such as Battleground Mobile India, and then another one is PUBG, then Call of Duty. For all this headphones will be very good. So let's check out the features which are written. So JBL Quantum sound signature, I'll be showing the graph on which is over there on the other side. So lightweight and durable construction, detachable voice focus microphone, all platform compatibility, Windows, Sonic Spatial, audio on PC and Xbox. So this is something feature. So this is certified by a few companies also, as you can see. So we have certification by Skype, Discord, TeamSpeak, and it has a 3.5 headphone jack, which is used for everything. So this is the sound signature which I was talking about. So as you can see, the red line is the normal JBL sound signature, and this is the Quantum sound signature. So Quantum sound signature is much more enhanced for gaming and all. So we'll be checking out and we'll be reviewing them in the next part. So on this side, it's the pricing which is written. The price quoted on the box is as you can see, 3,999, but I have got this for 25.99. And without further ado, let's cut open the seal and let's check out the contents of the box. So what all we get inside the box, this is everything. Let's keep this thing to the side. So this is the headphone itself with the thing, and this has a microphone inside it with some paperwork. So let's take out the microphone and keep the paperwork to the side. So here's the microphone. It's like a flexi where you can bend it in different shapes as per your need, and you can use it for different or various needs of yours. So let's check this out, and let's keep this mic also to the side for now, and let's check out the headphones itself. Okay. So here we have with us the headphones. So these are the headphones. So you open them, and so guys, as you all know, JBL is a premium brand, and these are not so costly headphones, so the quality will be so and so. So this feels like plasticky, and it should be feeling like plasticky if I'm not wrong, and it does not have that much premium of a feel. Okay, so on the side we have a mute button, and we have the volume rockers where you can directly control increase or decrease the volume, and you can directly mute it or unmute it according to the preference. So, and for the microphone, yeah, we can plug in the microphone over here. So let's plug in the microphone. So this is the whole setup which is gonna take place, and this has a 3.5 mm headphone jack, as you guys can see. Yeah. So in the next part of the video, I'll be reviewing these headphones for you guys. So stay tuned and wait for the review. And guys, that is in the description box below, I'll be adding the links of the headphone from where you can get it, and also I'll be adding the link of my Discord server. Please do follow me and share your thoughts over there and connect with me. And guys, also if you like this kind of videos, please give a thumbs up. Please share as much as you can. Please give us subscribe, that would help a lot, and select the bell notification icon so that you get notified each and every time I post a new video. So another thing which I wanted to talk is, okay, so this has a numbering over here for different levels. That's a good sign, good thing actually, not sign. Okay, so and yeah, you can fold it like this for storage purposes. And okay, so this has some what you call a cloth inside, not much of a foam, and these are foam, these are soft. So in the next part, let's review them, let's unbox them and review them. Let's review them, sorry for that. Let's review them. So guys, in this part of the video, I'll be reviewing the earphones. So I have been using these earphones for video calling, for playing Call of Duty, for playing PUBG and Asphalt 9 for the last week, and in all the tests I am surprised it has performed exceptionally good. The microphone is one of the best parts which are there on this headphones actually, sorry for that. So this headphone has a very good quality microphone, as you can hear from this. So the microphone, the button over here, you can mute the microphone as per your requirement, or you can unmute it for your requirements, and that's a very good feature which I think is one of the things which I like. Now checking for the mute button. What happens? So I'll be checking this thing now. And another thing, we have the volume rockers over here which you can directly use for controlling the volume, but it does not have any buttons to take or end calls. That's a different issue, and I think this kind of headphones shouldn't have those also. So guys, that's a very good thing which I'm liking, and this part of the video is completely recorded using this microphone which is present on JBL Quantum 100, and you would be having a very good idea, clear idea about how this microphone will sound. So at present I have a fan on at full speed. You can hear the sound of that and the ambient noise which is present over here, and in that scenario also how this headphone sounds, it will give you a pretty good idea, or the earphone sounds, the microphone sounds, it will give you a pretty good idea. So as it is a product from JBL, it meets all the specifications by JBL, like which we love about JBL. So the bass is quite good, and it's for Indian bass heads, which I must tell you. So in the area of bass, I will be giving it 8 out of 10. For treble, I'd be rating it 8.5 out of 10. And for voice calls, like the other party never complained. It was crystal clear for the other party. I took a lot amount of video calls. I had a very good conference, a long video conference, and I wore it for near about 2.5 hours, and I never felt discomfort wearing this. So comfort level and uh, video calling is pretty good. For video calls and calling, I'd be giving, or the microphone itself, I'll be rating it around 8 out of 10. And uh, f- for for the comfort, I'd be rating it around 8.5, 8 out of 10, not 8.5, 8 out of 10, because it feels a bit plasticky, and that's a thing which I don't like. And they could have improved on this thing, because yeah, it tends to feel sometimes it tends to feel warm sometimes, and that's the thing I don't like. And that's also, guys, if you have any queries, any questions, or anything which you want to ask me, you can post it down in the comments, or you can connect with me in the Discord server, where I'll be with you, in touch with you, and I'll be responding to each and every query. And if you want to talk anything, you can open your mind and freely talk with me over there. So that's another thing which I wanted to talk. And guys, this is a headphone. Yeah, it's you can get some headphones which are around 700, 800 rupees, but I think this is worth the money. So for the overall rating of the headphones, I'd be giving it around 9 out of 10. And yeah, the plasticky feel, that's why I couldn't give full marks, and it had room for improvement. So the last week where I posted a video of JBL Endurance Run, that was a very good earphone. And this is JBL Quantum 100. This is a very good headphone for you guys. These two are the things which I wanted to show it to you guys, and wanted you guys opinion. So if you guys ask me if you should spend that much amount of money on this headphone, I definitely give you a yes, and I would definitely suggest you to go for this headphone. It is a pretty good headphone. And for earphones, if you want earphones, then you should go for JBL Endurance One, which I posted the last week. Guys, I must tell you once more, and every time I say this, that these are the videos which I make of the products which I purchase from my own pocket, or from the these are my friends, or relatives who have purchased them, and I take it from them, I review it and give it back to them. And these are not sponsored in any way or any manner, but I would love some sponsors if they are watching this. So that's all. They can contact me on Discord, and I have given the email address and everything on my YouTube about section. They can reach me out over there. And guys, if you have any suggestion where I can improve in this kind of videos, so you can definitely comment. So guys, again, for the ratings, for bass it's 8, for treble it's 8.5, for comfort it's again 8, and for voice call it's 8, and for the overall rating it's 9 out of 10. Yeah, so overall I gave 1 point more, because I feel, yeah, this headphone is quite a gem, and it was very good for me while playing games and all. That was the thing which I loved about this headphones. So guys, I won't waste much of your time. So guys, if you like this kind of video, please give a like, please share my channel, and if you don't, then we can always be friends. I don't have any issue. And if you give a subscribe, that would help me a lot, and press the bell notification icon for videos like this, which I bring each and every week on Mondays. So guys, with that, I would like to take your leave. Thank you. I am Shubro, your host, and those signing off. Bye bye.